guys, welcome back to our channel, The Designer Trio. Thank you everyone for subscribing to our channel. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive updates as soon as we upload a new video. To know more about us, click the website link given in the description box, and you can also follow us on the Instagram. The Instagram handle will be given below. Today's video is a DIY, a mini bookshelf made from old cardboards and carton boxes which are of no use. Getting into the video. The first step is to collect 2 to 3 old carton boxes which are stiff and of same size, and the stationery items are like Fevicol, tape, scissors, cutter, old newspaper, tissue paper, with the finishing items like wood primer, enamel of any desired color. Second step is closing one side of the old carton box with tape, and the opposite is made to open by sticking the flaps to the inside walls as shown in the video. Now, make 1 or 2 more in the same way. Third step is strengthening the walls of boxes by sticking another layer of cardboard pieces with Fevicol. Fourth step is pasting one box on the other, and make sure you apply some weight to get them stuck tightly. Then you can use tape to seal the gaps and joints. Fifth step is covering the box with old newspaper or any tissue paper with Fevicol and water to make the joints and corners look good. Then the sixth step is applying primer to the whole unit. We have chosen wood primer here. The final step is finishing step. We decided to paint with nice violet enamel paint. You can also use other paints or cover it with nice attractive color or gift paper using any other soap. Now have a look at the final product. We think this video is useful to you guys, and if you like our video, please give a thumbs up and share our videos. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye guys.